Even though it's Friday and nobody looks at LinkedIn on Friday, I want to show you what we believe is the future of assistants for artwork creation. You will have both general process assistant as well as a designer assistant. And you can do things like show me who created the last few projects, as well as more complex queries such as duplicating projects, changing data, assigning to people, etc., etc. So this gives you access to all your data, but you can also do tasks that relate to design directly. So if I add one of my designs and I ask the AI designer or the designer assistant to remove the QR code in the design, then this will basically automate the task for me and then change the artwork directly on the fly. So the idea is that we are combining both data assistants with design assistants. So in this case, the QR code was on this flap and it has been removed. But I can also ask to change the version from 1.2 to 1.3. So change version from 1.2 to 1.3 and keep the same font. So for these small changes, then we remove the need to have a dedicated designer to make these changes, where we give the access to the actual users, regulatory people, quality people, and artwork coordinators to actually make these changes. This keeps the entire structure of the PDF intact, so everything remains as it was. You can also do it directly on Illustrator files, and it might not be for absolutely everything, but for most of these small changes that you need to get done to move on, then you can absolutely do that. The next level is to actually build an agent that sits on top of this and then can do this automatically based on the information that is available on these requests, right, on the project request within the system. So this is how we envision an assistant working for artwork coordination in today's environment. And it's Friday. Probably nobody will look at this, but I thought, let's share it. Why not?